Cabin and air filter. There are two types of air filters in a vehicle. The cabin air filter helps remove harmful pollution, including pollen and dust, from the air you breathe within the car. If your car has an unpleasant odor or the airflow has decreased, consider replacing the cabin filter. An air filter is a component that removes particulate matter and other impurities from air. The engine air filter allows the car to breathe by catching the dirt and other foreign particles in the air before they enter the engine.
Vehicle chassis. The chassis are also known as a vehicle frame is the main support structure of a motor vehicle to which all other components are attached, comparable to the skeleton of an organism. The main functions are to support the vehicle mechanical components and body to deal with static and dynamic loads without undue deflection or distortion. Mass airflow sensor. A mass airflow sensor is one of the key components of an electronic fuel injection system in your car. It's installed between the air filter and the intake manifold of the engine. The mass airflow sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine of the airflow, which is necessary for the engine control unit ECU to know how much fuel to inject into the cylinder. A faulty MAF sensor can cause your vehicle to run to rich or run to lean. Throttle body. A throttle body is a part of the air intake system that controls the amount of air that flows into the engine's combustion chamber. An engine's power can be increased or decreased by the restriction of the inlet gases. It's a tube-shaped housing that contains a flat valve that rotates on a shaft. The valve is connected to the gas pedal and regulates the airflow based on the driver's input. The airflow determines how much fuel is injected into the engine, affecting the engine power.
Brake booster.
Brake booster is a brake safety component that is coupled at intermediate position between brake pedal and brake master cylinder and works as a force multiplication component that uses engine vacuum to multiply the force applied by the driver on the brake pedal before further sending it to the master cylinder, which in turn provide effective braking as well as driver's comfort in applying brakes.
Car battery. A car battery stores its energy in chemical form and converts it into electrical energy. Key crucial car functions of the battery are: 1. Stores chemical material for conversion to electrical energy. 2. Starts up the ignition system of your vehicle. 3. Keeps the energy system of your vehicle sustainable. 4. Transfers initial current of energy over to an alternate performance system of your vehicle. 5. Received and gets a regulation update from a measuring system to keep enough charge for the next startup. The battery supply power to the starter so that it can start the vehicle and store electrical energy for running accessories in case of electrical system failure or when vehicle is not running.
Crankshaft. A crankshaft is a mechanical component used in a piston engine to convert the reciprocating motion into rotational motion. The crankshaft is a rotating shaft containing one or more crank pins that are driven by the pistons via the connecting rods. The crankshaft located within the engine block, held in place by main bearings, which allows the crankshaft to rotate within the block. The up-down motion of each piston is transferred to the crankshaft by connecting rods. A flywheel is often attached to one end of the crankshaft in order to smooth the power delivery and reduce vibration.
Muffler. A muffler or a silencer is a device used for reducing the noise emitted by the exhaust of an internal combustion engine, especially a noise deadening device forming part of the exhaust system of an automobile. It is part of the exhaust system and is usually located near the rear end of a car. It uses chamber, insulation, and reverse acoustic technology to catch and redirect sound waves. Two big reasons why it's important to have a properly working muffler are: 1. Noise control. As your engine runs, it generates thousands of little sound bursts as highly pressurized gas is released. These sounds travel down the exhaust pipe. If not for the muffler, the sound would be very loud. 2. Performance enhancement. Mufflers are also used to increase the performance of your vehicle. Basically, the faster your engine can get rid of exhaust gases, the faster it can take in oxygen and generate more power. Shock absorbers. Shock absorbers are part of a car's suspension system. They are hydraulic oil pump-like devices that help to control the impact and rebound movement of your vehicle's spring and suspension. Their purpose is to minimize the vibrations your car experiences from the road by absorbing the shock that comes from uneven road surfaces. By absorbing this shock, they help protect your car, reducing the wear and tear it experiences. Shock absorbers are oil pumps. A piston is attached to the end of the piston rod and works against hydraulic fluid in the pressure tube. The suspension travels up and down, which forces the hydraulic fluid through tiny holes inside the piston. Fuel tank. A fuel tank is a safe container for flammable fluids, often gasoline or diesel fuel. Fuel tank provide storage fuel. The system must contain a given quantity of fuel and must avoid leakage and limit evaporative emission. Provide a method for determining level of fuel in the tank. Venting. Feeding the engine through a pump and anticipate potentials for damage and provide safe survival potential. Control arms. Control arms are hinged suspension links that connect wheels to the car. They allow the wheels to move up and down over bumps and potholes while keeping them aligned with the car. Control arms are attached to the chassis by rubber bushings and to the wheel assembly by ball joints. The control arm is a link that connects the frame of the car to the wheel hub assembly or steering knuckle. Control arms can come in many different shapes and sizes. Upper control arms are often called arms as they have a shape vaguely like a capital A. Tailpipe. A tailpipe is a component of a vehicle's exhaust system. It's the metal tube that runs from the exhaust manifold toward the rear of the car. The tailpipe is designed to release exhaust away from the vehicle and into the air. It's often attached to the rear end of the car with a bracket. It's also known as exhaust pipe. Mass airflow sensor. A mass airflow sensor is one of the key components of an electronic fuel injection system in your car. It's installed between the air filter and the intake manifold of the engine. The mass airflow sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine of the airflow, which is necessary for the engine control unit ECU to know how much fuel to inject into the cylinder. A faulty MAF sensor can cause your vehicle to run to ridge or run to lean.
Oil change. Oil changes are important because they maintain engine lubrication, cool engine components, remove engine wear particles and sludge, improves gas mileage, and promotes vehicle longevity.
Regular engine oil is changed at about 3,000 miles, while synthetic oils will be changed every 6,000 miles.
Under the vehicle hood, you can locate what type of oil required either on the oil cap engine info sticker or your vehicle manual. The oil and oil filter must be changed at the same time